CPM General Secretary Sitaram Yechury മാധ്യമങ്ങളെ കാണുകയാണ് തത്സമയ ദൃശ്യങ്ങളിലേക്ക്.
Police has given a clarification that you have not been included in the charge sheet and the culprits, the accused have given the names.
First of all, the police have to tell me, what is this investigation into Delhi riots doing about the meetings, peaceful protest meetings against the CAA and PR NRC? Delhi police must explain how are they orchestrating this connection. Peaceful protests have taken place all over the country for a long time over the CAA and PR NRC. How are they connecting that with the Delhi riots?
Yeah.
First, there is no answer to that. Number two, in the Delhi riots, before what they call the Delhi riots, it's actually communal violence. This communal violence was instigated by hate speeches, one by a Union Minister for State in Finance, a cabinet minister, another a BJP leader in Delhi. Both of them have given incendiary hate speeches. They've given deadlines, and exactly along with that call of the deadline, this violence took place. There is no charge sheet on them. So what is the Delhi police investigating? 56 people have lost their lives in these riots. Where are the charge sheets about those deaths? So what is this investigation going on? Under directions from the Union Home Ministry, this is a political witch hunt they are mounting.
Is it a political conspiracy?
It is a political witch hunt that they are doing. And this entire now clarification that Delhi police is given. First of all, how did this come into the public domain? How did the Delhi police allow this to come into the public domain? Secondly, this is their new methodology. You file charge sheets about somebody else, arrest them. In their statements, you put down various names, and then procure a court order from a lower court saying frame charges against these people who are named.
So do you believe
This is the way in which they have operated. This is the way they have arrested the Bhima Koregaon case activists. This is the way they have put up the case against Harsh Manthar. This is their known methodology. Now they are backing out. How did this come into the public domain a day before the parliament session begins? Answer that.
when the same methodology is being used, how are you going to deal with this?
Well, let them do it. We are people who fought the emergency. We restored democracy in our country. That's why you're all able to do your jobs. This also we'll fight, and we will fight against this and uphold our constitution. Fighting for the upholding of Indian constitution is not only my right, but it's also my duty. And we have taken oath on this constitution several times to protect it. So we will continue with our protest. Whenever the constitution is violated, in defense of it, we shall protest.
In the parliament session, CPM members are taking this issue.
All right, let's see tomorrow when what happens in this parliament session, whether what functions, what doesn't function, even all that is uncertain. Let us see, I'm sure, because I've been a member of the Rajya Sabha for 2 full terms. Being the leader of our group there, occupying the front benches all through. So, even I'm sure, even the House will find it as an affront.
Do you demand any other agency to investigate this Delhi riot case?
We are saying you tell us who are the people, what is the Delhi police investigated so far on the 56 deaths that have occurred. What is the Delhi police done so far on the hate speeches that have been given that instigated this communal violence? Why is there nothing from Delhi police on these crucial issues? And instead they are targeting, various political leaders as well as other activists, known academicians, internationally acclaimed economists, internationally acclaimed academicians. They are all being targeted. So it's a very clear-cut political direction that has been given by the Union Home Ministry, which is being followed by the Delhi police.
comrade, today there is
You are not
ഡൽഹി കലാപവുമായി ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട് കഴിഞ്ഞ ദിവസം
Not at all.
ഡൽഹി
I mean,
പോലീസ്
I-
സമർപ്പിച്ച
what
അനുബന്ധ
was that
കുറ്റപത്രത്തിൽ
explanation
സീതാറാം യെച്ചൂരിയും ഗൂഢാലോചനയിൽ പങ്കാളിയായിരുന്നു എന്ന് ഡൽഹി പോലീസിന്റെ അനുബന്ധ കുറ്റപത്രത്തിൽ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു എന്ന വാർത്തയ്ക്ക് മറുപടി പറയുകയായിരുന്നു സീതാറാം യെച്ചൂരി. കേന്ദ്ര ആഭ്യന്തര മന്ത്രാലയത്തിന്റെ നിർദ്ദേശമനുസരിച്ചാണ് ഡൽഹി പോലീസ് പ്രവർത്തിക്കുന്നത്. ഇത് എങ്ങനെ ആദ്യമേ പൊതുജനങ്ങളിലേക്ക് എത്തി, മാധ്യമങ്ങൾക്ക് എങ്ങനെ ഇത്തരം ഒരു കാര്യം റിപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്യാനായി, ഇന്നത്തെ ഡൽഹി പോലീസിന്റെ വിശദീകരണത്തിൽ താൻ തൃപ്തനല്ല. അടിയന്തരാവസ്ഥ കാലത്തും ഭരണഘടന പുനഃസ്ഥാപിക്കാൻ പോരാടിയ പാർട്ടിയാണ് തന്റേത്. ഇക്കാര്യത്തെയും നേരിടും. നാളെ പാർലമെന്റിന്റെ വർഷകാല സമ്മേളനം തുടങ്ങുകയാണ്. തുടർന്നുള്ള കാര്യങ്ങൾ വഴിയെ തീരുമാനിക്കും എന്നാണ് സീതാറാം യെച്ചൂരി വ്യക്തമാക്കിയത്.